Now that we understand what is a child-centric classroom or child-centric education, we have understood what is meaningful learning, and we have seen what is contextual learning. Now we can very easily answer the question, what is progressive education? Because progressive education is nothing but a combination of child-centric education, meaningful learning, and contextual learning. All the important theoretical points and definitions about progressive education are listed on this slide. You can pause this video here and read through all of them one by one. Because progressive education is nothing but a combination of child-centric classroom, meaningful learning, and contextual learning. We have covered whatever is important in the previous slides. So all this is essentially a summary of what we have learned so far. So you can pause this video and read through all the points for the sake of a revision. Progressive education has been divided into three kinds. We can call them humanistic methods, constructivist methods, and Montessori method. Now in the humanistic method, you are trying to develop a whole child. That is, rather than just focusing on what is given in the textbooks and what is given in the syllabus, you are looking at other aspects of development as well. You are focusing on the emotional development, the social development, and even the physical development of the child. The idea here is to build a better human being and not just an expert. In the constructivist view, the idea is that learners construct their knowledge through various modes. So this can be cognitive constructivism or social constructivism. So here you are trying to provide the learners with all the tools and the opportunities and the facilities that they need to be able to construct their own knowledge. And in the Montessori method, rather than forcing students to learn something that you are trying to teach them, you are going to use the students' own interests and inclinations to gently guide them towards what you are trying to teach them. So this requires some special training methods, and Montessori method therefore uses some specially designed classrooms, and even the teachers are specially trained in the Montessori method.